It's really important to prepare your fabric properly before you eco print in the dirty pot. And the reason for this is you want to have the best absorption of prints and background color. And because we are working in an environmentally mindful and health conscious way without using traditional powdered mordants, this is even more important. So I recommend that you give your protein-based fabric, that's silk, wool, cashmere, anything that is animal-based, a really, really good hand wash using a gentle olive oil soap. Now, the reason I recommend olive oil soap is because I'm also a felt maker. I always have it in my studio, and it's a gentle soap, and I use one with no artificial color or scent. But you can replace this with a coconut oil soap or a goat's milk soap, something simple and natural. And if you want to batch wash your pieces and you have a modern washing machine, it's actually environmentally mindful to batch wash a few items at the one time rather than washing them all by hand. It uses less water, but you do need to be careful to use the wool cycle in your washing machine. Otherwise, you may run the risk that your garments will shrink. So if this is what you want to do, grate some of your soap, make a solution with hot water, and just put a tablespoon or two of that soapy solution in with your wash rather than a commercial detergent or eco-friendly washing liquid. Please do not use one of those commercially prepared eco-friendly liquids because they may contain stain blasters. It could be maybe a natural extract of citrus to remove stains. And as eco printers, we want to encourage the leaf, onion skin, and bark prints onto our fabric. So that gentle olive oil soap solution is the one for you. And then you can batch wash your fabric and you can let it dry. But before you actually go to eco print, soak it in a tub of water overnight. And that way, the fiber will all have absorbed some liquid and it will be the most receptive to absorbing the natural dye when you go to eco print.